If you have many files to rename, doing it one after the other would be very stressful. Let me show you a trick how you can rename your files at once. Firstly, you go to Microsoft Store, your system, and you search for Powertoys. Then you have to install it. So after that, you now go back to your file and you select all the files you want to rename at once. Then you right click on one, choose rename with Power Rename. Now you now look at the name that is very common to all the files. That is what you are going to type here. So this is what we're going to have. Then in this place, the new name you want to use to see that file, that is what we're going to type here. Let's say my training document. Then you are changing the file name. You are not changing the extension. You choose file name only. Then you click on apply. Wait. Yes, we have renamed everything. You can now close this. Then look at your document. Everything has been renamed. Thank you.